This is question number 7 of exercise 1.4. The question is an elevator, which is nothing but the lift, descends going down into a mine shaft at a rate of 6 meter per minute. If descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach to minus 350 meter? Now, first of all, what is mine shaft? Mine shaft is a hole or the bore inside a mine. Suppose this is the surface area of the mine and this is the elevator. This is the elevator. In the picture you are observing it is just above the ground, but in the question it is starting above 10 meter from the ground level. That means this lift is actually at this position, and this position is above the ground 10 meter. If I consider the ground level as 0, then this position according to number line will be considered as positive 10 meter. So if I draw the number line here, if this is the ground level and this is the 0, then this position will be positive 10 meter, because we are considering the upward direction as positive and downward direction as negative. We will consider the upward direction as positive and downward direction as negative. So this direction will be negative and upward direction will be positive. So this is this position, which is the starting position of the lift or elevator. This position will be considered as positive 10 meter. Now the lift has to reach minus 350 meter from the ground level. So imagine that after going down, the lift is reaching at this point, and this position is below the ground level, and this will be considered as minus 350 meter downward. So in the picture, from lift is starting from here and stopping at here, and this is minus 350 meter position with respect to the ground level. We have considered the ground level at 0 meter. Now, first of all, how much distance from its starting point? It is the start, and it is a stop. So distance between start and stop, distance traveled by elevator from start, that is positive 10 meter, to stop, that is minus 350 meter, that will be equal to start minus stop. So that will be minus positive 10 minus of stop will be minus 350, that will be equal to plus 10 minus and minus, we will open the bracket, it is positive 350, and that will be 360 meter. So distance traveled by elevator will be 360 meter. Now we have to calculate how much time will be taken by the lift if it is moving down at 6 meter per minute. It is moving down by 6 meter per minute. So let us calculate here. 1 minute, in 1 minute, distance traveled in 1 minute, distance traveled is 6 meter. So how much time will be taken if it has to travel 360 meter? So in suppose x minute, time taken will be x minute. So here we will solve it by ratio concept. 6 meter in 1 minute is should be equivalent to 360 meter in x minutes. You have discussed the ratio concept in 6th standard. So ratio represents the speed of the elevation, the speed of the elevator, and that is 6 meter per minute. So same speed should be there for this calculation also, for this distance also. So after solving this, so it will be 6 into x is equal to 360. So x will be 360 upon 6. We have to divide by 6 both side. We have to divide by 6 both side. So 6 and 6 will get cancelled. Here 6 ones are 6 6 are 36. So it will be 60 minutes. Because we are actually determining the x, which is in minutes. So unit will be 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes, it will reach to the position minus 350 meter from the 10 meter above the ground level. So our answer will be 60 minutes.